Hi, I'm Georgina from BBC Learning English. In today's lesson, we're looking at mixed conditionals. We usually use mixed conditionals to talk about a past imaginary situation that has a present imaginary result. For example, if I had eaten breakfast, I wouldn't be hungry now. The first phrase uses the same structure as the third conditional. If plus past perfect. This is because it is a past imaginary situation. It's not true. I didn't eat breakfast. The second phrase uses the same structure as the second conditional. Would plus infinitive no to. This is because it is a present imaginary result. It's not true. I am hungry because I didn't eat breakfast. Don't forget to put the comma in after the if clause. Bye for now.